to begin with, what is a hemocytometer? Hemocytometer is basically a slide. ठीक है? That slide is used to count. Hem is blood, cyto is cell, meter is to count. So hemocytometer is used to count the number of blood cells. Which blood cells? WBCs, RBCs, platelets, etc. So how this actually works is, considering this is a newborn hemocytometer. This is a slide. So what you do is, first of all, you take this slide, you take a micro pipette or a capillary, and you fill the capillary with the solution. Suppose you are counting the cells in a blood, or you are counting, it is actually made to count the number of blood cells, but you can also use it to count the number of bacteria in a bacterial culture. So whatever solution you want to count the number of cells, bacterial culture or blood sample or any other sample, so you collect that sample in a micropipette or a capillary, and you place the capillary here. Okay. So what happens is, due to capillary action, the solution will automatically start filling this space. If it अगर गलती से ज़्यादा fluid enters, then it will fall in these cavities which is there in the side. Okay, it will fall there, but there will be a even distribution of solution in these two boxes. On this you will place the cover slip. After placing the cover slip, you will place it under the microscope, and when you zoom in, there will be particular markings on the slide which will look like this. Now this whole line, this whole thing will be 3 mm, okay, 3 mm in length, and again this whole thing will be 3 mm, this whole thing will be 3 mm, this is a square, okay, and this whole thing will again be 3 mm. Now how this hemocytometer is used is that these blue ones are used, I am writing W there, because those sections are used for counting the WBCs, and this center one is used for counting RBCs. Now you see WBCs जहाँ पे हम लोग count करते हैं, this whole thing is 3 mm. This one box का length is 1 mm by 1 mm by 1 mm. This again is 1 mm by 1 mm by 1 mm by 1 mm. This is also 1 mm, 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 1 mm. So this is the dimension of every big box here. So like that you can calculate the dimensions of a smaller box. Like for RBCs, this see, there are 5 boxes. Okay, since there are 5 boxes in this RBC wala box, let's zoom in. Okay, this whole thing is 1 mm. I am talking about the central box. I am talking about this box. Okay, this box here. So there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes, and ऐसे also there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 boxes, and then it is further divided. So if this whole is 1 mm and this 1 mm is divided into 5 equal boxes, then the dimension of this box will be 1 by 5, which is 0.2 mm. So this will be 0.2 into 0.2, 0.2 into 0.2. See, it will be 0.2 into 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, 0.2, like that. So you get the dimensions of each and every box. Similarly, when we are talking about these WBC wala boxes, this whole thing is 1 mm. It is divided into 4 boxes, which means one box will be 0.25 mm. How did I get 0.25 mm? 1 divided by 4, you get 0.25 mm. So you get the dimensions of every little box there. And then what you do is, you calculate the volume of the box. Like, let me tell you how we calculate. Now if you have a solution, अगर मेरे पास एक blood, if I have this solution, blood solution of 100 ml, and I want to count how many WBCs are there. No, how many RBCs are there. Okay, now this will be an approximate value. How many RBCs are there I need to count. So I will take this one box. There are 5 divisions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, this will be like that. Now I will have to count how many RBCs. Under the microscope you will be able to see those RBCs on the slide. So you have to count how many RBCs are there in this box, how many are there in this box, how many are there in this box. You have to calculate how many are there in every box. Now in this box suppose I find 2 cells. Okay, remember that we have taken 100 ml solution of blood. Okay, 100 ml blood we have taken. Now in that one box the dimension is 0.2 length, 0.2 breadth, and the standard of the slide, hemocytometer slide which we are using, the depth will be 0.1. So this will become your dimensions, and you know that volume is equal to length into breadth into height or depth, which will give you 0.04 as the answer, right? 0.0004. Okay, this will be the volume of one box. Now one box ka this is the volume, and you have 25 boxes here, so the total volume will be 0.004 into 25. 1 second, I'll do that. Okay, you will get 0.004 into 25. 25 fours are 100, and yeah, this is what you get. You get 0.1. So this is 0.1 is the volume of the whole thing, and if the total number of RBCs in this whole area is okay, the volume of the whole area is 0.1. Itna samjha hai na? So we will keep it aside for a minute. The volume of the whole thing is 0.1. Okay, remember that. Okay, now the whole volume was 0.1, and suppose in that all those 25 small boxes in the RBC section you found 70 RBCs, okay, total. So how much solution we have? We have the volume of the blood we have is 100 ml. So 100 ml mein how many RBCs you will get? When you cross multiply, you get X is equal to 70 into 100 upon 0.1. Okay, so when you divide this, you will get, this will become 1000, this will get cancelled, and 70,000 will be your answer. 70,000 will be your answer. So you get your answer that in 100 ml blood there will be 70,000 RBCs. So this is how you calculate the number of cells present in a solution or a sample using hemocytometer. Agar uska volume, it is basically cross multiplication. Similarly, the same thing will happen for WBCs. But WBCs ke liye we don't have 25 boxes. We have 4 here, 16, 16, 16 and 16. We have 64 boxes. So 64 boxes का हम वॉल्यूम ढूंढेंगे. अगर उतने वॉल्यूम में इतने सेल्स हैं तो हमारे सैंपल का जो वॉल्यूम है 100 ml, उसमें कितने सेल्स आएंगे? दिस वी विल डू, वी विल क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई एंड वी विल गेट द नंबर ऑफ सेल्स. So this is the application and the use of hemocytometer.